turn back on my video. Here I am. Let's see here. This is 38. You got a good laugh out of me, didn't you? You got a good laugh. You think Mama was funny, didn't you? You got a good sense of humor.
Are you laughing at Mommy?
I think you are. I think you're laughing at me, huh?
Yep, don't pull on the string.
Oh, that was a good laugh.
Alright, don't pull on the string. Ready to laugh a little more?
No, I think he's had a big enough laugh, hasn't he? He laughed enough. Oh.
Is Mama laughing?
We had some good laughs, didn't we? You are tickled about something, aren't you? You're just tickled, aren't you?
So Mommy's really funny, huh?
Yeah. Oh gosh. He makes me want to laugh so. It's so cute. Hey.